It's infused with a blend of aloe vera juice, Jamaican black castor oil, and vitamins. This collection targets weak, damaged hair to provide a healthy level of strength and noticeable length. It contains no sulfates, no silicones, no petroleum, and no mineral oil. Creme of Nature Aloe and Black Castor Oil is great for those who are looking to restore damaged hair and improve hair strength and elasticity. Yes, our Creme of Nature Aloe and Black Castor Oil collection can be used on all hair types and textures. For optimal results, use these products together as a system. Please reference instructions on the back of our packaging for proper use. The Creme of Nature Aloe and Black Castor Oil Root Recharge is a serum that promotes fuller, thicker, stronger, longer hair. The serum protects against damage while styling and instantly hydrates hair and dry scalp. To use, apply a few drops directly into the scalp and massage using a circular motion. Smooth away excess through lengths of your hair. Do not rinse out and style as usual. Yes, after applying the Creme of Nature Aloe and Black Castor Oil Protein Treatment, you will need to dry your hair under a hooded dryer or use a hand dryer without agitating your hair. Do not use a plastic or processing cap to dry hair. Please follow the instructions on the back side of the protein treatment packet for proper use. After the Creme of Nature Aloe and Black Castor Oil Strengthening Protein Treatment has been used, the healthy and long fortifying hair mask must be applied and left on for 3 minutes before rinsing thoroughly. After the mask has been rinsed thoroughly, the reconstructing anti-breakage leave-in can then be used to help reduce shedding and fallout as a result of breakage. The leave-in also helps to restore moisture to prevent breakage on dry hair as well as protect the hair from heating tools.